Hello and welcome to this VCSP how-to video. You can configure permissions to allow specific teams or team members to perform restore operations in a self-service manner. It allows you to manage backup jobs or restore operations in VMware Cloud Directory organizations with self-service operations for Cloud Directory VM's protection. You can view reports across all the Veeam backup servers in your environment and centrally install and update their license. Important feature is the ability to recover passwords for imported encrypted backups. There is also a RESTful API interface available for automation. With Enterprise Manager, it is possible to create roles to delegate restore permissions to specific users or groups. You can also limit the scope to only allow restores on specific objects, for example, virtual machines, guest files, or databases. The self-service portal is part of the Enterprise Manager web interface, where administrators and users can configure and restore backups. You can easily restore files and folders back to the original system or download them to a local computer. The Enterprise Manager can be integrated with VMware Cloud Director and vSphere role-based access control in a service provider hosting environment. This enables a service provider to create a multi-tenant backup portal where end users can log in with their Cloud Director credentials or single sign-on with the role-based access control and consume backup services such as backup and restore VMs, VApps, and guest files for their own tenant. The last piece is backup infrastructure management. With a number of Veeam Backup Replication instances installed on different servers, the Enterprise Manager acts as a single management point. It allows you to control license distribution, manage backup jobs across the backup infrastructure, analyze operation statistics of Veeam backup servers, perform restore operations, and so on. The Enterprise Manager provides you with an alternative way for data decryption. It lets you to decrypt backups if you lost or forgot the password used for data encryption, or if a KMS server used for data encryption is not available. We recommend installing Enterprise Manager on a dedicated server, virtual or physical. The system requirements are listed here. It's important to know that all backup servers must be based on the same database engine as Veeam Backup Enterprise Manager, that is PostgreSQL or Microsoft SQL Server. If you are connecting Enterprise Manager to an existing PostgreSQL instance, please visit Help Center for information on how to optimize it. You can download Enterprise Manager from veeam.com. The installer is included in the Veeam Data Platform ISO. And now it's time for the demo. Let's switch over to the demo labs. I'm logged into the server where I want to install Enterprise Manager. So let's start the installation. We're going to accept the license agreement, and we provide a proper license file. These are the default configuration settings. If needed, you can change them by clicking this link. You can choose the service account used, which defaults to the local system account. The type of the configuration database, which is PostgreSQL by default. You can install a new PostgreSQL instance on the server itself or connect it to an existing database server. We are using the default installation location. If needed, you can enable the Cloud Connect portal, which enables tenants to start the cloud failover plans. But most of the service providers use the Service Provider Console for this. You can change the ports used and the web certificate. With this, the installation will start, and depending on the chosen settings, it will install PostgreSQL Server if needed. After the installation, we can open the Enterprise Manager using the shortcut on the desktop, or you can point your browser to the server from your own client. And with this, the installation is finished. Stay tuned for other useful videos in this series.